Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I cooked red snapper on my Masterbuilt 560. We did this for my son's 10th birthday. We asked him what he wanted for dinner that night. He said he wanted red snapper. We live very close to the Gulf of Mexico, so we're blessed to have a wide variety of fish available to us in this area. So we went up and picked up a pound of that. I'm going to show you how I cooked it right now. I'm going to start with my lemon. I'm going to roll it out on my cutting board. This helps break down some of the fibers, allows for some of the juices to flow more freely once you cut into it. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut my garlic using my knife. Now I could have used a garlic press for this, but I didn't own one at the time, and just wanted to make sure that I got it really finely minced here. So about halfway I stop here. I'm going to go ahead and grab a bigger knife, just a little easier for me. If you notice the cutting board keeps moving, what I'm going to do is take this paper towel, I'm going to wet it, and I'm going to put it between my countertop and my cutting board, and you'll see a significant difference in the amount of movement that I have in it. Just a little tip I picked up here and there from just starting out cooking here. I'm going to add the garlic to my melted butter. Got about a pound of red snapper here. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to dry it real quick with some paper towels. Next I'm going to add some olive oil and brush that on. Squeeze some of that lemon juice on. I'm going to flip it over here and do the same thing on this side. After that, I'm going to salt and pepper it, put some of my Kinder's buttery smokehouse on there, and I'm just going to add some butter and garlic on there as well. Flip it over, do the exact same thing on the other side. Save some butter for when you're basting the fish once it's on. I'm going to transfer it to this cedar wood plank. I have left it in the water for about a half an hour, and then take it out, let it dry a little bit, and then put the fish on.
We've got the Masterbuilt 560 lit up here. We've got the temp set for 300 degrees. We'll let that get nice and warm. We've got our snapper that we're going to put on the grill tonight. We've got it set on a cedar wood plank. We basted it with some oil, some lemon, salt, pepper, that Kinder buttery smokehouse blend with some butter and garlic, and basted it really well on there. It's been sitting out for maybe about 20-25 minutes, so it's just about ready to get on here, and we'll cook it for about 20-30 minutes, get our thermometer probe in there and see what happens. And then I've got some veggie kebabs that you might see on there, some hot dogs, and some potatoes as well. We're going to get our money's worth out of our charcoal tonight on our Masterbuilt 560 and hoping for a great meal. There. Just put the fish on, so we'll check it in about 15 minutes, make sure everything's going okay. Maybe baste it a little bit and then take it off when it hits the temp of 145 is where I want to see it at. Maybe take it off around 143 or so and cover it with some foil. Okay, so it's been about 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and use our compound butter that we made with the garlic and butter, a little bit of salt and pepper, and that Kinder's steakhouse blend. So we'll go ahead and get that going here. Sorry about the glare of the sun here, but okay guys, let's do a temperature check here real quick. It's turned on. You just hit over 143. So we'll go ahead and we'll take this off and we'll cover it with foil because I think we're going to have a little bit of carryover, but the foil will help take care of that. So we'll go ahead and we'll take it off. I wanted to show you guys real quick. This is something I just picked up from, just cooking for a while. Somebody just mentioned it to me, but when I ever put aluminum foil on, I always do the shiny side up and the dull side against whatever I've cooked. So if I have my meat here, the dull side meets the meat instead of the shiny side. It doesn't stick as much. We've got the snapper off of the grill. Take a peek at it right there. Looks pretty good. Place it here. This over here. And then we will just slide it off right here onto the plate. Looks really good. I'm going to steal a little piece here. It's hot. Wow, really good.
All right guys, 300 degrees, 20 to 30 minutes. You take it off at 145 and cover it with some foil because you will have that carryover. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, make sure you comment and subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video.